Right. This problem tells us that we've got a rhombus graphed on the set of axes below. My brain is telling me that it might be important to know that there are four congruent sides. Another thing that's coming to my brain is perpendicular diagonals. Don't know if that will be helpful, but maybe. Question is, which transformation does not carry the rhombus onto itself? And this is the question. I had patty paper, should have had some ready. Basically, after this transformation, since it's saying which would not carry it onto itself, that means three of these, after that transformation, it would be exactly in the same place that it is now. So this is a tough problem because you've got to analyze every single one of these. So let's start at the beginning. Rotation of 180 degrees about the origin. And I'm just going to say that looks a little bit off to me. And also, if we've got two rotations of 180 degrees, I already know neither one of these is going to be the answer because there's only one center of a shape. So there's only one place that you can rotate it around to get it to map onto itself. And let's just see. I can kind of tell right now that that one is it, so I'm going to go with that as my answer and just confirm it. Number one, it has to be the center of the shape. One way to know that it is the center of the shape is if you connect the opposite vertices to each other, basically drawing those diagonals in. The diagonals meet at the center of the shape. So now I'm even more confident that my eyes were telling me the right thing here. So if you rotate around that, not going to map onto itself. You rotate around that, and it will. Let's make sure we understand the other answer choices that are here. So it says a reflection over this line, which is pretty messy. But we've got a y-intercept of -1/2, which actually might be the equation of a diagonal. Equation of diagonal. And the slope is 1/2, so I'd be going up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. Yeah, this diagonal has the equation y equals 1/2 x minus 1/2. And so that means that a transformation that does is a reflection over a diagonal, which is only true in a rhombus, which is one of the reasons why this is important. It's not true in a regular parallelogram, it's not true in a rectangle, but it is true here. And let's take a look at this last one, -2x plus 2. That's going to have to be the other diagonal, so the y-intercept is 2, and then we are going down to right 1 for our negative slope down to right 1. So this line right here is the other one that we are given, which is y equals -2x plus 2. So a reflection over a diagonal does. Those are the equations of both of the diagonals. And there's always a rotation 180 around the center, and this was just not the center of this shape.